Good day everyone, my name is Seima Aulia and I'm from the management class 23I. Today I will be presenting an analysis of Netflix focusing on the company current challenge, purposes, strategies for change, and how Netflix can adapt to maintain its position as a leading global streaming provider. Let's begin with an overview of Netflix and issues it's currently facing in the competitive streaming industry. Netflix, founded in 1997 as a DVD rental service and grown into the world's largest streaming platform, operating in over 190 countries. Now, its innovative content and aggressive global expansion, Netflix has faced several key challenges. The main problems Netflix is facing are increased content production costs. Due to the growing competition in the streaming market, the cost of acquiring or producing exclusive content has risen. And the next is intense competition from major rivals. Platforms like Disney, Amazon Prime, and HBO Max are providing unique content titling competition. And the next is need for a local content adaptation. To stay relevant in the diverse market, Netflix must adapt its content to local cultural preferences and requiring a strategic approach to marketing and content production. And the next is professor change strategy. In response to this challenge, I have proposed a combination of economic and organizational development or OD strategies for Netflix. Here why this strategy is the best approach. The first one is economy strategy. Netflix needs to optimize its production costs in the facing of rising competition. And the next is organization development or OD. Adapting to local preference will help Netflix maintaining customer loyalty globally and increase the value in the each regional market. And the next is combining both. By combining economic efficiency and local content adaptation, Netflix can remain competitive without compromising content quality. To implement this strategy, Netflix should focus on the three key areas. The first one is optimizing production costs from local partnership. Netflix should collaborate with local content producers to create high-quality content at lower cost, reducing the need to send production teams internationally and leveraging local studios. And the next is developing organization adaptation. Building research team in a key market will help Netflix better understand cultural preference and engage local creators to reduce content that resonates with specific audience. And the next is strengthening digital branding. By utilizing social media and local digital platforms, Netflix can engage users through tailored content, unique interaction, boosting customer engagement. And the next is readiness for change. Now, let's evaluate Netflix readiness for change in terms of three key factors: the need for change, leadership, and planning. Need for change. The need for change is urgent driven by vicious competition and rising content costs. Netflix must adapt to this pressure to remain successful. And the leadership and direction. CEO Reed Hastings is known for his innovative approach and willingness to take a risk. The leadership at Netflix has shown a strong commitment to transparency and will decision making, demonstrating the company readiness for change. And the next is planning. Netflix has already developed a strong market strategy and localized content plans. To further its success, the company should expand its market research in regions with high growth potential, such as South Asia and Latin America. And the next is recommendation action. Based on the analysis, the recommended step for Netflix is successful change possible. Why? Because Netflix flexible internal structure, strong leadership, and data-driven decision making make it well positioned to implement this change. And the company its understanding of global market trends. Its technological innovation provide it with a competitive edge. However, there are a potential risks. The first one is operational costs could increase. With a larger content volume, Netflix may facing rising operational costs, and the solution focus on production efficiency and build strategic partnership with local studios to reduce costs. And the next risk is lost customer in market with specific content preference. And the solution is tailored content based on regional data and preference, including language, local extort, and cultural relevant storytelling. And then next is to conclude that the combination of economic and organizational development strategies is the right approach for Netflix to address its current challenge and maintain its leadership in the global streaming market. My recommendations are as follows. Expand collaboration with local producer and creator to reduce production costs and improve content relevance. And strengthen market research to better understand regional preferences and adapt content strategies accordingly. And run interactive segmented marketing program such as a live social media event to exchange user engagement and build stronger customer relationship. Uh, Thank you for your attention. I hope this analysis provides valuable insight to Netflix potential and strategies for continued successful in the competitive streaming industry. If you have any question or would like further clarification, feel free to contact me. My contact details are listed on screen. Thank you again, and I look forward to hearing your feedback.